Don't eat bread. Make this delicious breakfast recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 3 bananas. I'm going to start by using just 2 of them. Slicing them up. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching us from, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Emily Carter from Chicago. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. And the banana that's left, I'm going to put on a plate and mash completely. This is one of the recipes I make most for breakfast because it's super easy, budget-friendly, and absolutely delicious. Next, we're going to transfer everything to a bowl and add 3 whole eggs. Let's mix these ingredients really well. After mixing well, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oats. And mix really well again. And let's be honest, banana and oats go really well together besides being healthy and nutritious. Now I'm going to put olive oil in a pan and spread it with a brush. Guys, make this recipe at home. It turns out incredibly delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. Once that's done, I'm going to add the banana slices. Finally, pour in the mixtures we prepared a little earlier. It's going to become your favorite recipe. Lining them up and covering the whole bottom of the pan. Now just cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once that time is up, I'm going to take the lid off and flip our recipe. Let's cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes. Now let's take it out and transfer it to a plate. And to give it a special touch, I'm going to add honey on top. Tell me what you do to replace bread at breakfast. I'd really love to know.